Hey guys, today I'm out at Glasshouse Mountains Playhouse testing out my new rear locker. The next few clips we have here are without a rear locker in the car. As you can see, without a rear locker, as soon as one of the wheels lifts in the air, the car loses all traction and struggles to get up.
I'm getting stuck. I think I'm just losing traction because my wheels are going in the air.
On this next go, I decided to have a bit more momentum. But as you can see, I still get stuck. I gave this section of the track one final go without the locker. The rest of the video now is with the diff locker in the car. Let's see the difference it makes.
Hard right. Hard right.
No, that was too easy.
As you can see now, even with the wheels in the air, the locker forces them to move together, which significantly increases traction.
What the hell?
Just walks up it.
He's not sure, he's just going to give it a go. He thinks his bull bar will hit the...
Yes, you can hit. No, no, go.
It might be hard to tell in the video, but this part was very sketchy.